Oh, there's something in it. It looks like. I've seen some weird shit over here before. I gotta stay steady my hand.
Well, you know it is kind of dope over here.
Yeah, or UFO-y.
Oh, I see what you mean. I see it now.
Yeah.
I didn't look far enough.
What the fuck is that?
They're little blinker lights like this. Now they went off. Nope, they're there. That's weird.
The fuck? Oh, there's something in it. There's something inside there.
Yeah, I see it.
What the fuck? Oh. Now it's gone. That was weird. Wait, I see it. I see a little red dot in there still. It's staying in the trees. And that bird just left.
Yeah.
What? What the fuck? Whoa. Yeah, that was like a UFO.
That's kind of weird, huh?
Yeah. That's weird.
Now it's gone.
Yeah, I know. I could see the shadow of something. It like went over here to these trees. There's still something in there though. You can see it. It's just not, it doesn't have lights.
Weird, huh?